One of the researchers I followed had a really interesting thought about AI. And the thought was really about human evolution, right? And as humans, we tend to be really efficient. Our brains are super efficient. But one of the ways that we're efficient is that we're constantly looking at and thinking about how do we offload tasks out of the human consciousness. Think about a watch. A watch is really just offloading a task to a device. Think about pencil and paper. We are offloading memory to a device. And I think when you think about, these things, AI really is no different. We are offloading some capacity to a device or agentic bot or whatever it may be in order to be more efficient and in order to create more capability. And I will tell you, I've been in this industry now 35 years, and I can't tell you how many times there was a new technology that was going to make us all unemployed, right? When cloud came along, all of us were going to be out of a business. When the internet came along, all of us were going to be out of business. And in reality, when you look back at these inflection points, all of these technologies actually really did was make us busier, right? Not busier in the same ways, but it added new tasks and new things and new expectations, right? And probably a really simple example of that was back before email, when we had to actually write each other letters, right, and stick it in the mail. If you got a reply back from whoever you wrote that letter to in 2 weeks, you were pretty happy, right?
Those
Now with email, if we don't get an email back in an hour, everybody's like, golly, I wonder if this guy, are they still in bit? Like, what's going on, right? And so I think you have to sort of think about this just in terms of, what changes and what shifts. But I don't believe that AI is going to reduce workforce. I believe it's going to create new opportunities. And I think it's going to, enable us to work in more efficient but different ways.